Hi, my name's Daniel Jones. I work at DTJ Interiors Limited and I've just set up a joinery business. Mainly bedrooms, furniture, wardrobes, bedside tables, and then also kitchens and study furniture as well. I have used simpler, probably what you'd class as Chinese machines before, with no support or anything, and I know there's a lot happens inside an Edgebander and that does terrify me, so I wanted to go for, I just wanted a name brand and didn't really matter about the price because I knew anywhere I saved money, it would come back and bite me. It processes 90% MFC, and it's all melamine faced MFC and just puts 0.8 and 2mm edging on all of the parts that I need it ready to be a finished product. The screen's great because it gives you a prompt in case you've forgotten anything, so it makes you go through all of the steps of producing a part to make sure you can't mess up. I've had no issues with it, so it's been great for downtime. It literally just heats up super fast, the glue pot, and edges parts the second I need them edging, so yeah, no issues. Yeah, it's great. There's enough space inside where you can adjust all the knobs, and there's a light, so you literally just go in, set it up, and then start producing parts. They work perfectly together. By the time the CNC's finished cutting, the Edgebander is done and it creates quite a nice workflow. I went into the Dalton Wadkin show to look for an Edgebander, and they had an ME40 on display, so I got talked through that and it was just great. Very clear, simple to use. Went into the office, specced it up and ordered it from there. It's been pretty simple and a great process. Yeah, I've had no issues with it, so I've had to ask some stupid questions so far, but other than that, it's been great.